Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the crashing in Valorant. Let's fix it guys. We just need to right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK. Now you just need to right click on the Valorant and select open file location. Go back to write games, double click on the Valorant folder, live folder, copy this file path. After that, just to close tab here and go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings and select allow another app and select browse. Now paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the valorant.exe and select open. Select add. In my case, I already added this. After adding the Valorant, you can able to find the name as bootstrap packaged game. Make sure the private and public boxes are checked. After that, click on OK. Now go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the browse option and now paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the valorant.exe and select add. In my case, I already added this bootstrap packaged game. Select the options and select high performance and select save. And now just to close tab here. Lastly, you need to update your graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After updating your graphics card, just to close tab here and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.